Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we just have a few tidbits for this 4th of July 15% off sale that's going on. And if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. It is very, very helpful. But anyways, we'll jump right in. There was some new instant savings that came out. I believe they came out yesterday. So we have the Hercules 20 volt 5 amp hour lithium ion battery and 4 amp charger starter kit at $99.99, $20 off, and we'll go into these a little bit deeper as I go over them. We have the Hercules 20V 5 amp extended performance lithium ion battery bundle 2-pack, $99.99, $35 off. And we have the Bauer 20V 5 amp hour lithium ion battery and charger starter kit, $89.99, $10 off. And then we have the Bauer 20V 5 amp hour high capacity lithium ion battery bundle 2-pack, $89.99, $40 off. So right off the bat, I started thinking of the kit that Harbor Freight got rid of a few months back. Wanted to take a look at that, and this is what it used to be. This is what they used to have. It was the get a tool for free, buy a starter kit for $89.99 for Bauer, and you get to pick a free tool. And they had pretty much a large selection of any of the tools from Bauer to start off with, and then similar for Hercules, the hand tools. Buy a starter kit for $99.99. And so that's what I want to compare these to. Is the charger starter kit doesn't seem like a great deal because it's $20 off, which is good. But the starter kit over here, the exact same thing, used to be the same price, but you'd also get a free tool. So that's not so great. And then similar to the Bauer charger starter kit, $89.99. You get the charger, you get the 5 amp hour battery, but you used to get a free tool with it. So that's the issue. Now, the good thing is, with instant savings, it should stack with your 15% off any single item. And that's where these deals get a little bit better. You can do 15% off. So let's just say it's not as good as the previous starter kit where you get a free tool, but technically you could get these for an extra $15 off. So this charger starter kit, you'd end up getting for $85 essentially. And the Bauer, you would get for $76.50. So you save essentially, what is that, $13, $14, close to the $15. And so those are still, all right, not the greatest because they used to have the starter pack. But where it does tickle my fancy is with the 2-packs, the bundles. So for this Hercules 20 volt 5 amp hour extended performance lithium ion battery bundle 2-pack, you get 2 for $99.99. But include that, combine that with the 15% off coupon, you're getting 2 batteries for $85. 2 Hercules 5 amp hour batteries for $85. So that's sounding like a pretty decent deal. And then same thing for the Bauer 2-pack, the 20V 5 amp hour high capacity lithium ion battery bundle, $89.99, and you get 15% off of that. You're getting those for $76. So from that end, if you're already in the system and you want some extra batteries, you can stack these instant savings that they just came out with and stack it with the 15% off coupon and then get a pretty decent deal on those batteries. But anyways, those are the ones I wanted to go over. Who's gone out and taken advantage of the sale already? Let me know. Happy 4th of July. Happy Harbor Freighting. Again, please consider liking and subscribing. Good luck out there. Stay safe. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.